In this video, I show you how you can disable the auto suspend feature if you're running a virtual machine. So practically, whenever you leave the process for some time, the virtual machine by default automatically suspends it and go to the sleep mode or something like that. So on the suspend feature, everything starts over again. And even if it is paused from here, let's say you want to leave it for a long time in order to, let's say, render a video, but whenever it suspends the virtual machine, everything stops at this point and continue to release when you play it again. So we want to disable that, right? Now for that, let's say if I am on the virtual machine, I'll just exit the full screen mode and just right click on your virtual machine and just go to the settings. Now under the settings, let's go to the hard drive and just copy all of this, because this is the location from where your files are coming from, your virtual machine is coming from. So just cancel this, copy this, and on your main PC, just paste it in the URL under this PC and you should be good to go. And here you are in the virtual machine folder. Now I need to make changes in the VMX file. So all you have to do is just right click on this 3 window sign and just go to the properties, make sure that this is a VMX file. Yes, it is. And just open this with a notepad, let's say. Now here we need to add a line that you can get in the description. We can just go to the bottom, any area, and just paste it right here. This is suspend.disabled equals to inverted commas true, and true should be in the capital letters. And just close this and save this. And whenever you want to confirm that it is saved properly, just open with the notepad again and just scroll down to the bottom and just see your command is still there or not, and just close this. And in order to make it effective in the virtual machine, what you need to do is just close it and just start it over. Just shut down this and restart, and it should be effective. And that should be it. This is a pretty straightforward video. I hope it was helpful, and if it was, just comment down below and like this video because it really helps me out. And with this said, this is Saad signing off from today's video. Take care.